If you follow celebrity news keenly, you're already aware of the ongoing Johnny Depp lawsuit against his estranged wife, Amber Heard. Things seem to be getting thick even before they begin, and we're here to let you in on everything that's going on. Welcome to our channel today, and subscribe if you've not done so already. Hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time we upload a new video. Let's get started. It has been a long time coming, and now Amber and Johnny face each other in court. Johnny has sued Heard for $50 million, accusing her of making defamatory comments about him in her Washington op-ed in 2018. Johnny says the comments have ruined his career and left him with serious mental health struggles. You're probably wondering why it's taken Johnny that long before moving to court? Well, we can't help but wonder too. If you're hearing these two names for the first time, we'll have you know that this is not the first time the two have publicly gone for each other's backs during the 4 hectic years they lived together as a couple. However, their first opening statements recently revealed shocking claims that left the jury and everyone else present perturbed. Both parties each explained why they had the most solid and true case. One of the witnesses in this case was Johnny's sister, who made some interesting remarks during the first day of trial, which we'll share with you here. On day 1 of the problem, Johnny's lawyers accused Amber of falsifying DV claims against her ex-husband to advance her career. On the other hand, Amber's attorney quickly mentioned that her claims were true to the best of her knowledge. He also stated that Amber was entitled to a First Amendment to convey her views. Ben Rottenberg, Amber's attorney, said that Johnny was committed to destroying Amber's life by going after the lawsuit. He said, "For all Mr. Depp has wanted, to humiliate Amber, to haunt her, to wreck her career." Ben said Johnny was an obsessed husband, determined to get revenge. The trial is estimated to run for approximately 6 weeks. 11 jurors will be tasked with sorting through tons and tons of conflicting testimony and documentary evidence to determine who between the two has been lying and who's telling the truth. Johnny's attorney Vasquez said Amber presented herself as the face of the #MeToo movement, the virtuous representative of innocent women across the country and the world who have truly suffered abuse. However, Vasquez said evidence would demonstrate that all that was but a lie. According to Vasquez, Amber was the attacker in the relationship. She questioned why Johnny's previous famous exes like Kate Moss, Winona Ryder, and Vanessa Paradis, who sired 2 children with Johnny, had never accused him before. Vasquez said she had sufficient evidence to show that Amber's guilty. Johnny's attorney was quick to mention that each story features 2 sides, and it seems that she and her team are painting a very different picture, with attorney Benjamin Rottenberg calling Johnny an obsessed ex-husband hell-bent on revenge. Ben quipped in and said there's absolutely nothing false about that statement. His statement targeted the 5 words in the op-ed Amber wrote about being a public figure representing domestic violence victims. As much as Johnny would want to take it away, Amber's free speech allows her to say that. Amber suffered physical, emotional, verbal, and psychological damage, and that's the truth. Ben continued. Talking about op-ed's title, Ben said that Amber neither wrote nor approved the headline that appeared online. The actress suffered sexual abuse at Johnny Depp's hands. In the most graphic and horrifying terms, you will hear the violence that she suffered straight from her. Ben admitted that Johnny's career was in jeopardy. However, he also said that Johnny's suffering was due to his poor choices, such as refusing to commit to sobriety. You should know that Johnny has struggled with substance abuse for a long time. Now that this information is a matter of public knowledge, it will be crucial during this trial, as Amber alleges numerous instances of fights when Johnny was under the influence. According to Ben, Johnny spent $100,000 monthly for a team of doctors who prescribed multiple medications. He also alleges that Johnny was drunk when he kicked and punched Amber during the incident in Australia, dragging her over broken bottles across the floor before essaying her. The first witness called to the stand was Johnny's sister, Christy Dombrowski. She mentioned that growing up, they endured abuse from their mother, who harmed Johnny and her. Johnny said that her brother had vowed to become the opposite of what their mother was. During her sister's speech on their upbringing, Johnny appeared quite emotional. Christy said she worked for many years as a deputy assistant and mentioned that she was forced to book an extra room when her brother and Amber traveled together. The room would come in handy if Johnny needed somewhere to hide, as he did while growing up. According to reports from Variety News, Christy said that while she never saw any argument between Johnny and Amber, she heard her utter insults at him, calling him an old fat man. Another example, Christy said, was when Amber discovered that Dior wanted Johnny to star in a campaign. Her reaction was disbelief and disgust. Christie revealed that the couple often fought, saying that Amber would deride him often. "Dior is about style. You don't have style," Amber allegedly commented, according to Christie. Amber's lawyers hit Christie during cross-examination, saying that she had invested in her brother's finances as an employee, which have depleted over the years. They also tried to demonstrate that Christie was aware of her brother's continued abuse of substances during his relationship with Amber, which she strongly denied. When questioned about what she thought about the couple's decision to get married, Christie said she was scared and advised him against it. She also noted that Amber declined to sign a prenup. Her allegations disproved claims from Amber's attorney team that Johnny chose to forego a prenup. The jury asked Amber to narrate what had happened in Australia when the two appeared to have disagreed. Her admission that they had fought was the best answer she could give. There was no way she could deny what was already in the limelight. However, that moment of honesty seemed to flare emotions up, because Christie walked up to her and told her the two fought even though she, Christie, had warned her it was too much and abnormal. At this point, Amber had had enough, but she gave Christie a curious response saying, "Johnny loves it when I'm feisty." Amber told Christie and other parties to get off her cross and stay away from her marriage. We're here wondering why a normal human being would be comfortable under such circumstances. Many people took that statement lightly, even though it was weighty. Again, why would Amber want Christie and others to let them be? Is it that she did not trust them enough to help her through her problems? Now, something that is helping Johnny's lawyers are statements that Vanessa Paradis made. Vanessa is Johnny's partner of many years and the woman who sired children with him. She was asked various things, to which she answered, "I've known Johnny for more than 25 years. I've known Johnny to be kind, attentive, generous, and non-violent person and father." She also acknowledged awareness of the claims that Amber had accused Johnny of publicly for 4 years. Vanessa noted that the allegations were not consistent with the Johnny she knew. Some of Johnny's other exes came out to support him, which was something the court could rely on when determining the case. The incident coincides with what happened in the libel case when various celebrities came forward to defend Johnny throughout. Regardless of the evidence the state or either side of the defamation suit has, things will become interesting as the case progresses. More witnesses are set to make their statements and more evidence will be revealed. We know for sure that nobody from the two parties will take defeat lying down. They will show all their evidence to ensure they win the case. However, if any of them gets control of the matter remains to be seen over the next course of months or weeks. The trial will run for approximately 11 weeks and nobody knows its outcome. However, there is some resolution regardless of what the end will look like. If not, then the case might never end soon, which will be draining to Johnny, Amber, their family, and friends, with some saying that it feels like it's a never-ending case. But before we go, we'll have you know that the news of Amber's team of lawyers is but a rumor. There hasn't been official communication to prove it. And now, we've come to the end of our video today. What do you think about it? Do you have any clue about how the case will end? Do you think Amber will win against Johnny? What are the chances that Johnny will win the case? We would love to read your sentiments. Kindly tell us in the comment section below. Comment, like, and share the video with your friends and family, and we shall see you on the next one.